Hello everyone. Today I will explain you how to draw a 3D model of a propeller. So propeller, the application of propeller can be used in different types of industry. So this can be used in aircraft engine as well, the propeller, and turbine also. So let us start. So first of all we will draw a 2D sketch like 70. First of all we will use a loft command 50, and then we will use the loft command first of all, and make the plane visible, and move it like 40. This was 40 as well. So the, press on the loft, make another 2D sketch over here as well, over here, and we draw it like 30, or let us suppose 20. Okay, we finish the sketch. We use the loft command here as well, like this. Press OK. Great. Now we draw the plane in the middle as well, like here, at the middle, and here, exactly at the middle. Great. So we remove the visibility of the planes now, since we don't need it. Remove the visibility. Okay. Now remove the visibility of this as well, for, for the sake of now. And now what we have to do is that choose the YZ plane and make its visibility on. And now we will draw another sketch over here. Press F7 like this. Good. So that it would be easier to make the sketch over here. And let us start. Make a line like this. Okay. Make an ellipse over here. Make an ellipse over here. This is a circle, not an ellipse, so we will use an ellipse. Choose the center point and choose the point like this and like this. We will specify some of the dimensions over here. So the dimensions like this, let us consider this as 10. Perfect. And the other dimension as let us suppose as 5. 10 and 5. Finish the sketch. Perfect. Now what we have to do is that draw another plane to the upwards, like any, or make it a little bit up, it's more better. Make it at 70, it's better. 70. Okay. So now what we will do is that we will do the project geometry. We will create a new sketch over here. So we will make a new sketch. We will do the project geometry as well. Now let's do it again. Sometimes let's do it again. So we'll make a sketch again over here. Okay, make this as visible. Choose the eclipse, or we can do like this, then make this as visible and create a project geometry. We make a project geometry. Good, perfect. Now we will make eclipse again, but we have to make it like this, like this. Okay, so I will make dimension. I will choose some dimensions as see. I will choose dimension this as I chose this. I will choose as 10, and the other I will choose as 5. 10 and 5 dimensions, 10 and 5 as well. This I will choose as 5. Perfect. Now we finish the sketch again. So one I made it horizontally, and the other I made like little bit not straight, but I made it at an other angle. Now for the other one I will make a straight. I will make another plane. Okay, I will make another plane. Uh, make little bit up. Like maybe let's make it like 20 or yes, and just make it again. Create another sketch. Okay, and create a project geometry as well for this one. Cool. Now make an eclipse. Perfect. Perfect. Now what we have to do is that assign some dimensions. Assign some dimensions as well. I check that I made this correct or not. I will assign the length, but the width should be a little bit smaller, not 5. So this I should make 10. 10. Okay, as which I assigned the previous, but this one should not be 5. Okay, this one should be very small, a little bit small. So instead of 5 we can make it like 2.5 or 1. You can say, you can make it 1. It's more better. It's more better. 1. Okay, so we made it. Now we finished the sketch. Now we will be using the same command which is called as the loft command. So loft command we will be using. So this one and this one as well. So press OK. Yes, this one and this one, and press OK. Now I will change the material to any material. Let's make it as carbon steel. Okay, so I made this one. I will remove the planes. I will remove the planes, remove the visibility, not removing the planes. Just make the plane invisible. I did it. So I will make this a multiple. I will use another command known as the circular pattern. In AutoCAD it's called polar array. So I will choose the rotation axis. I will choose the quantity. You can make it any, you can make it 3. I will show you how much you can make. You can make it as 6 as well. 6. Perfect. And let us see if we have more options. So 16. Yes, this 16 we made it. So this is the propeller which I have drawn. So we can do some chamfering as well. Let's say we do the chamfering of 20. Let us experiment that. No. Or we can apply the fillet. 20. Okay. Let us apply. What happens? No. So 5. 5 is good. Yes. Or let us try 10. It is more good. 5. 5 is more good. So everything is well. So here we can apply. We can put a hole. This is how much. Let us experiment that. This is how much we would make a circle. Circle. Center point over here. 13. Finish the sketch. Use the extrude command, or you can use the whole command as well. So this direction, and okay, that's okay. Perfect. Make the whole command as well. So, or you can, I did a mistake. If I do it like I extrude this one, it would be more better. Anyways, you can make your own creativity according to that. So like make it like 5 or 20. Make the fillet as well. Yeah, this is more better. Apply. So this is more good. So this I made it like a propeller, and this is how I made. This is how to model a propeller which has a number of applications. You can make your own modification according to it. So you can choose any material, and you can basically I used my own measurements, and I didn't care about measurements. My main purpose for this tutorial is to how to model this propeller, and I use my own random assumptions, and I use the application for the loft command, and this is a loft command also, and loft command as well as uh, you draw a multiple planes. For the loft command, what you do is that you draw a multiple planes, and after making a 2D sketch on the multiple plane, you use the loft command in order to join those planes, and you create a wing, a part of this by using the loft command, this, and then you do the polar array for the multiple to make your job easier, and for this part also, which I made it earlier. So this how I draw a propeller. Have a great day.